430 years. That's how long Israel lived in Egypt, and the text says they left on that very day. Not approximately, not around that time. On the exact day, the same God who said tomorrow again and again through the plagues, who staked his authority on precise timing, now marks the departure the same way, 430 years to the day. God's calendar doesn't drift. Then the text gives this night a name, a night of watching. The word means both things at once. Yahweh kept watch over Israel that night. He guarded them. But the same word also means to observe, to keep. Yahweh kept watch over Israel, and Israel must keep this night to Yahweh through every generation. That's the foundation of every Passover that follows. The night God kept watch becomes a night Israel keeps to Yahweh. A people redeemed, who still observe the night of their redemption, because the God who watched over them then is the same God they serve now.